In front of me is Google Pixel 10, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Let's start with my favorite and quickest way to manage auto rotation on this Google Pixel. All you need to do is go into the menu and look for Auto Rotate shortcut to click on it. As you can see, mine is here, so when I click, it turned gray. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by clicking on the same shortcut again, this time until it's white. If you have a bit more time, you can go into settings, scroll to hit the display and touch, and then scroll again, this time to use the switcher next to auto rotate screen and manage it from here. Last but not least, by tapping on auto rotate screen on the left, you can turn it on and then decide if you wish to try face detection by clicking on the switcher next to it. Face detection uses the front-facing camera to improve auto rotation. So if you want to try it, do it from here or tap on Learn More about Auto Rotate and read all of those informations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!